we'll watch a small video of our family.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Modi family, I would like to thank you all for coming here tonight. Before I go into some more details, I just want to let you know there are a couple of games that we are going to play. I think there was a questionnaire distributed named Scavenger Hunt. I think the time is up, so if you guys are still holding that, please return it to Jagdish Bhai, and we will finalize the winner and they will all get a prize with the team. And there is also going to be some trivia questions that I am going to ask during the presentation, and so it's important you listen to my speech and others. So, as you know, Bhavik has graduated from William Mason High School with a solid GPA of 4.0. He has been accepted into University of Cincinnati's Carl Lindner Honors Plus program with College of Business. So he would be studying the business administration and he got a full scholarship. So we are obviously very happy with that. So Bhavik has done exceedingly well in his career, in his academics as well as in sports and other extracurricular activities. He received many awards like Principal's Award, Merit Award, Achievement Awards from Ohio State Board. He was also inducted into National Honor Society, and he managed the marketing. He was the Senior Vice President of Marketing for Mason Comets Savings and Loan. That's a bank.
That's good.
So, and he has played as a high school senior in his high school baseball team. Before that, he also played a lot of other sports. He played football for 3 years with Mason. He won some of the basketball local leagues here. And his coach with Kings Red, Mr. Ed Johnson, I mean, he speaks very highly of him, and he has given him very good recommendation. I would like to thank him for that. So with all these sports and academics, he also did a lot of volunteering work. He volunteered for Mason Library, Cedar Village Senior Center, Bethesda Hospital, etc. So with such an impressive resume, I was obviously not so worried about his college. I really did not help him at all in application process, besides, of course, giving my credit card. So he had decided not to be in a science field or engineering, so he always wanted to be in finance or marketing. And he had narrowed down his choices to within Ohio or very close to Ohio. So he got acceptance from OSU, Xavier, Miami, UC, Indiana University and all. And he finally decided on staying in UC. Yeah. but unfortunately did not stay at home. So when he applied for this Carl Lindner Honors Plus program, for which he got invitation, that time I was little bit nervous, but he was very confident and he did his best and got selected into this special program which is only eligible, only 25 students are eligible. So that was a very good achievement on his part, and we are very delighted at that. So the day Bhavik was born, it was the happiest day of my life. I was really ecstatic. My luck and fortune changed since then. We are here today because of all that. And there are many things in my life that I couldn't do, but I'm happy that Bhavik has done it all. Be it golf, skiing, swimming, snowboarding, football, basketball, whatever. I would never even dream of entering a football field myself. And he has also helped his brother a lot to prepare him for not only academics but also sports and volunteering and all. So Hardik is also playing very good basketball, he's playing baseball, he's a pitcher, and he has learned skiing from Bhavik, and he believes in Bhavik a lot. So whatever he says, Hardik will do that. So he has taken care of Hardik quite a lot, and we will definitely miss him once he goes to UC and stays there. So Bhavik has really done very well.